Hearings of two civil cases involving Glenn Kirschner, Donald Trump, and Mark Meadows were held in Washington, D.C. and said he expected good news on Monday as it was scheduled to take place in Atlanta, Georgia. I have a feeling we'll have good news to tell about the hearing date in Donald Trump's federal case in D.C., NBC News and MSNBC legal analyst said on YouTube, adding that he expects U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan to make a positive statement on the matter. Prefer a quick try. Chutkan is expected to set a date for Trump's hearing on Monday regarding federal lawsuit filed against him in connection with Trump's attempts to reverse results of 2020 presidential election and his involvement in January 6 U.S. Capitol riot. On same day, another hearing Atlanta will consider handover Mark Meadows' request to prosecute Georgia, who, along with former president, is one of 19 defendants accused trying to reverse Trump's loss state 2020 from state court to federal court. According to Meadows, the transfer could be justified by acting as part of his official duties as White House special agent during the alleged election plan. Judge Tanya Chutkan is expected to set a hearing date for Trump's trial in Washington, D.C. on Monday. The charges against Trump in the D.C. case were presented on August 1. Since then, Trump has been charged again with a total of 4 charges since the beginning of the year. He has consistently denied any wrongdoing, describing the lawsuits brought against him as a political witch hunt. While a hearing date has been set for Manhattan criminal case, which involved the alleged payment of hush money to porn star Stormy Daniels prior to 2016 election, no hearing date has been set for any federal or state cases in Georgia. This is expected to change with Chutkan's decision on Monday. Special counsel Jack Smith had requested a speedy trial date for his case, which Trump wants to be heard on January 2, 2024. Trump's lawyers, on other hand, appeared willing to delay the hearing for as long as possible and demanded that hearing be held. It will take place in April 2026, well after the November 2024 presidential election, where the former president is likely to face Joe Biden again. According to poll aggregator FiveThirtyEight, Trump is currently ahead in preliminary Republican polls, with 52% of the Republican vote as of August 25. Kirschner, who teaches criminal law at George Washington University and will attend the hearing in Washington, D.C., said he was confident Chutkan would choose an earlier date for the trial. I think he'll set a trial date in early 2024. January 3, maybe February, March, even April, Kirschner said. But I think he doesn't understand that not only does Donald Trump have the right to speedy trial, H is more than happy to waive it. He also understands that we humans have the right to speedy trial. We deserve it. These accusations were resolved just before and long before the next presidential electio.